today for Care Every Day is on channel. I got big news for folks today. Before I get the big news though, I got one thing to say. That is, thank you very much. This thumbs up is for all you folks who made this last week possible. So what happened last week, for the second time, I was able to squeeze a little over $100 out of YouTube. And you're the reason I was able to do that. Your views, your subscriptions, make it possible for me to get a little pop with money, get a little money on the side, okay? Again, second time, payout by YouTube. Again, to all you folks who made it possible, this thumbs up to you. Thank you so much. Let's keep going, okay?